Hi, this is Carole Conlon, and I have another tip for mastering your body. In this case, we're going to talk about psychic protection. Whatever type of work you get into in the healing field right now, you can definitely expect that there will be a little target pasted on your forehead. We are in a war right now between the dark and the light, so it's best to be prepared. Prepare yourself. What I recommend is that you start doing some searches online, and I'll also give you quite a few tips for protecting yourself. The idea is that you have to find the way that you feel the best as far as being the safest. Now, some people will use a bubble of white light or a special grid to protect themselves. You can use an invisibility cloak like Harry Potter did. Use your intention. Another way to protect is to use different types of stones like black tourmaline, obsidian, selenite. Frozen white light is a really good one as well. Make sure that your space is tidy, is clean, is clear. Again, the ascension prayer that I mentioned previously in another video also will help clear you of any entities and get you going that way. The idea is protect yourself, but not to fear. One of the very best protections is actually laughter. If you watched Harry Potter, you know about the ridiculous spell, where the students took whatever they were most afraid of and were able to turn it into something very humorous using this ridiculous spell. The laughter is the key there. So if you can't laugh about it, learn to. It is what it is with needing protection. Once you get into this level of work, it's just part of life. It's no different than needing to take a bath or wash your hair or cook some food type of thing. It's just part of life. So look and learn and find out what makes you feel safest and go from there. Calling upon the blood of Jesus is extremely helpful, very strong protection. You can call upon Archangel Michael and his team of destroyer force angels to come in and help. A lot of times I like to visualize these angels back with their backs to me, facing outward, wingtip to wingtip in a circle. And I know I'm protected in that way. As a dowser, you're setting up the energy field between you and your client, and that's important as well to keep other things out. So remember, set up your psychic protections, do your homework, find out what you feel safest with, and choose that one and go with it. That's our tip for today about mastering the body. If you liked the video, please hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in our next video.